Hey everyone, Chris here from HVAC Pro Blog, where we help HVAC professionals grow their businesses and skills. Today, I'm super excited to introduce something brand new, our Insider membership. This is your exclusive backstage pass to take your HVAC Pro Blog experience to the next level. Here's what you'll get as an insider. Custom badges and emojis. First up, you'll stand out with exclusive badges next to your name and custom emojis you can use in the comments and live chats. Show off your insider pride. Exclusive photos and status updates. You'll get behind the scenes photos and updates about upcoming content, projects, and industry insights before anyone else. Also, I'll personally give Insider members shoutouts in videos and live streams. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. If you have a question or a comment, as an insider, you'll get priority replies from me. Let's keep the conversation going. And I'm going to be able to offer member-only live streams. We're talking exclusive live streams where you'll dive deep into advanced topics, strategies, and real-time Q&A sessions. You'll also get access to members-only videos packed with premium content. Think advanced tips, in-depth training, and insider secrets to grow your HVAC expertise. This membership is for you, the pros who are serious about leveling up their business and skills. By joining, you're not just supporting the channel, you're becoming a part of an elite community of HVAC professionals. So, what are you waiting for? Click the join button below and become an insider today. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the members only section.